It's been a long time since I have filmed a makeup tutorial, beauty video of sorts. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me featuring Jones Road Beauty, and I'm gonna be using all Jones Road Beauty products except for a setting powder because they don't currently have a setting powder yet. And if you don't know, Jones Road Beauty was created by makeup artist Bobbi Brown, formerly associated with Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. She came out with a wonderful clean beauty brand that not only has skincare products, but also wonderful beauty products. I'm so excited to do a get ready with me featuring these products. This is truly what I've been doing, what feels like every day. I was actually just invited to a Jones Road Beauty event. I was able to meet Bobbi Brown, my childhood teenage dream come true. I've been a fan of Bobbi Brown for so long. So when Jones Road reached out to me, inviting me to their first influencer event, I was so happy. So my camera decided to glitch and I lost all of the audio for this whole next clip demonstrating this foundation, talking to you guys about this foundation. So I'm still adding it in just with some music over it, but that really stinks. I started this video off with 3 really dead batteries, so I've been charging them like in between, and my last one just died, so you're kind of moved around a little bit. First impressions with this foundation: extremely blendable, extremely moisturizing. It has a really nice, light, lovely scent. It smells like skincare because I know that it is kind of skincare. If you are oily, definitely I would say skip the moisturizer like they recommend, because this literally it's like a tinted moisturizer. So if you normally skip your moisturizer when you do a tinted moisturizer, do the same thing with this. So this is one of my favorite products from the Jones Road Beauty collection. It's the Shimmer Face Oil, and I like to use the gold color. Sometimes I'll use the pink when I'm feeling fun, but for the most part, I'll just use this gold shimmer color. Just apply a little bit onto my fingers and just apply that top of the cheekbones, put it on the nose, and it smells luxurious. It smells like orange citrus grove. It's so beautiful. This is actually a new product that I just picked up. I have some other Miracle Balm shades, but the bronze color that I have is just a little bit too orange for my skin. So this one here is Sun-Kissed. This product is very unique. You have to break the seal. So you push your finger in until it kind of breaks, and then you can use your product, because if you just go over the top, you get nothing. And normally for my bronzer, we'll just go in with this lip and cheek stick in Chocolate Mocha. It's really pretty. I like this because it doesn't have any, it's not extremely balmy like this one is. That is Sun-Kissed, and you can really obviously blend it out. So if you were to use a Miracle Balm, you could obviously just use it like a bronzer. If you're a deeper skin tone, you can apply this almost as a skin tint. I love these products because they have so many different uses. So I just take my brush and I just go over the top of the product, and then I just stipple that on. I feel like you cannot see this product in this lighting. Almost has a nice like kind of rosy color to it. And I do some on the forehead. I just do a little bit on the bridge of the nose. I just like popping a little bit onto my lips too. You know what? I'm actually really curious to see what Sun-Kissed looks like on the eyes. This is also a fun experiment for me too. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I have very oily eyelids. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, so this product is also another one that I use every single day, and I also use this on my lips too. This is the same lip and cheek stick in English Rose, and it's really pretty. I like to just apply a little bit onto the cheeks. I'm using a brush for all of this, but again, if you want to use your fingers. They're so easy to blend out. I definitely forgot to apply concealer. So I'm gonna go in with 2 concealers here. The first is shade 8, it's a little pinky, like salmon colored. And this is shade 9, which is closer to my skin tone. I really should have done this before because there's spots that are like in the center of my cheek and I just applied blush. Oh well. When I apply this on a more full coverage foundation or a foundation that dries a little bit more matte, I find that these don't blend out as well. But when I'm applying it on top of this Jones Road foundation, I'm noticing that it is much more, it's actually the type of product you want on top. It's not like a cream concealer, so it's not going to be as creamy on the skin. With a foundation like this, you probably want a concealer like this one, if that makes sense. I was very curious to see how powder would apply on top of this foundation. It's actually quite beautiful. It doesn't move the product around too much. It doesn't cake it up. For eyeshadows, because I like to do eyeshadows before my brows, she has so many beautiful shades, but a few that I just want to mention, because I'm not going to apply a lot of eyeshadow today, but a few that I want to mention that are so stinking pretty. These 2 are darker. I love both of these so much. This one is Penny. Patina is this color. This one is Penny. That one is Patina. I'm going to be using rose gold today. Quick over the eyes, and then I love using this color. This is, I knew the name, but I look. It's called the best color in the world, and it's just a true dark, dark, dark gray. Like I wouldn't call it a black. This one isn't as like creamy as the other ones. I have to kind of dig for it a little bit more, but I do love the color. These do have little mirrors too, so I'm just going to take a blending brush and just blend out that edge. And I'm gonna take the best color in the world. That is literally what she named it. I like to focus this color mainly on the ends. I'm realizing that this is so bright. Then just kind of take my finger and blend. I'm telling you, you can do this makeup look so fast. It seems like it's taking a long time. Sitting down, the reason why I love these Jones Road products is because you don't need to take a lot of time for your skin and your face to look beautiful because they are so easy to work with. So then for our brows, I'm gonna apply the brow pencil in light brunette. These do have like little fibers in it. I just like to focus mainly on the outer part of my brow and kind of extending it just slightly because I do have naturally short brows. Just kind of like quickly run my pencil under my brow. Most of my makeup is pretty much done, but I'm gonna be going in with their mascara. This mascara is like a close second to one of my favorite mascaras from Bite Beauty. This is so good. It is quite fluffy too. If I can finish this video without another one of my batteries dying, I'll be very happy. Are you seeing this already? It's so good. That makes such a difference. Lastly, we're gonna do lips. And I just have 3 here to show you that are 3 of my favorite shades. So I do have the Jones Road Cool Glosses, but I don't always love a gloss. Like it depends on my mood. These are called the lip tints. This color here is my favorite. It's Pink Rouge, or no, Pink Rose. So pretty. I'll do a swatch for you. That is Pink Rose. And this one I love so much. This is like more of a summer shade for me. This is Ruby. And it's like a really pretty bold pinky red. And this one I just got. This is Merlot. A deep wine berry shade. But applied, this is so hard to do on my hand. So I'll just mix this color here, Merlot. Like, that's pretty pigmented. This is just Merlot on my lips, but I'm going to apply a little bit of Ruby on top. I always love kind of customizing my own shade. I want to step away and show you in better lighting. So glowy and luminous. I really like this foundation. It's really beautiful. So this is the finished look using all Jones Road beauty products except for my loose powder. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me and seeing some of these products in action and how I use them. Most of them that I've showed you and applied today are ones that I have incorporated in my go-to beauty routines. I'll leave the links below for the products. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just, these products were gifted to me, but this video is not sponsored. They're just my true, honest opinions about these products. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it as always and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.